Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a prototype in XD. To begin, switch to Prototype mode, found at the top left of your Adobe XD workspace. Select any object or an entire artboard to initiate a new interaction flow. Then, simply drag the blue arrow that appears from your selected element to its desired target artboard or component. This crucial first step establishes the fundamental connection for your user flow, setting the stage for a dynamic and interactive experience. Once your artboards are connected, it is time to define the interaction details. Choose a trigger, such as a tap for a button click or drag for a swipe gesture. Next, select an action. Transition moves between artboards, while auto-animate creates dynamic motion between similar elements. Finally, specify the destination artboard and fine-tune the easing and duration for a polished, natural feel. To bring your prototype to life, leverage the powerful auto-animate feature. For this to work effectively, ensure that elements you wish to animate have identical names across your different artboards. Auto-animate intelligently interpolates changes in position, size, and rotation. Experiment with various easing curves, such as snap or wind up, and set a duration, often around 0.3 seconds, to achieve a truly engaging and professional animation. After building your prototype, it is crucial to test and share it. Click the desktop preview button, located at the top right, to interact with your design locally and catch any issues. When ready for feedback, use the share button to generate a secure, shareable link. You can choose settings like Design Review or Presentation. This allows stakeholders to view your prototype and provide comments directly, streamlining your design iteration process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.